My name is Natalie Higgins. I'm an attorney with Hughes Lawyers, and we are based in St. Louis, Missouri. I have personally been licensed to practice in Missouri and Illinois for about 7 years now, and probably spend about 80% of my time now representing employers, whether it's on the consulting side or in litigation with respect to employment-related disputes. From my perspective, it's one of the most rewarding portions of what I do is working with employers to be proactive. So of course we handle when there is a problem, we obviously are involved, but I really enjoy working with employers on the front end to help them be proactive about managing risk and ensuring that their workplace is compliant with the applicable EEO and other laws that apply to them. We are often retained by employers who just haven't spent the time, they haven't made the investment in making sure that their policies and procedures are up to date and fully compliant with the applicable laws. So as a starting point, when I'm hired by a new client, that's usually where I like to start, is looking at what they do have in the way of policies and procedures and making sure really that there's two questions answered. Are those policies and procedures fully compliant with the laws that apply to that employer based on their size and location? And then the second thing that I like to do is make sure that those policies and procedures actually reflect the way that that employer operates. And that's the critical portion that a lot of employers miss. You can have a great policy or procedure, but it needs to be something that you're able to live out on a day-to-day basis when you're operating your business. I like to think that I'm different from a lot of lawyers in that I'm a very big fan of open communication. I don't hide the ball. I'm very direct with my clients. I want them to understand and have a really thorough understanding of what the law requires of them and really what the expectations should be for them in managing their workplaces. Frankly, I think that if you do a good job as an employment lawyer on the front end and you're educating your client, they will do a better job in the long run, even if your services are needed less. That's really the objective and really the ideal outcome.